Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to change language preference on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the page. Beside it is a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow. A drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Language Preference. Click on Language Preference. Wells Fargo currently has 2 languages only. To switch language, click on the option that says Espanol. Then click on Save. That's how you change language preference on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.